I'm Billy Baily with 2 Egg TV, and we are continuing on our series of edible and medicinal plants that you can find right in your very backyard. And today we're learning about the Florida Betony, Stechus floridana. It's a mint, has the square stems. The entire plant is edible, packed full of vitamins and minerals. The leaves, like many of the mints, can be dried and made into a tea. The leaves, the stem, the roots can be put into salads, soups, stir fries, a lot of vitamins, a lot of minerals. And the root themselves attribute the common name rattlesnake root because they almost look like a crinkle-cut French fry or a rattlesnake root. And in the Northeast, the cousin of the Florida Betony is served as an appetizer in upscale restaurants under the name Betony. And today we're going to get the above ground portion with the leaves and the stems here. They will go good in our foraging basket here. Good contribution to our salad. Today we continued our series of edible and medicinal plants, learning about the Florida Betony of Stechus floridana. Again, I'm Billy Baily with 2 Egg TV. Clover is very similar, and clover is also edible, so that's okay.